Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. My name is Mr. Root, and I am here to give you a smart tip. What I do as a hip-hop artist when I come to your classrooms, I do and utilize a lot of rhyming couplets. So today we're going to focus on the importance of a rhyming couplet, exactly what a rhyming couplet can be used for, and how I'm going to tackle that with the subject of math. Rhyming couplets are two sentences or two lines, and at the ends rhyme. So rhyming is pretty much, you guys know what rhyming means. So at the end we're going to have two end rhymes at the end. So if you said, once upon a time not long ago where people wore pajamas and lived life slow, that also has to do with steady beat, but that's for a whole nother smart tip that I'm about to hit y'all off with. But right now we're just doing rhyming couplets. So how can that be used in the classroom? Summarizing. So if you were to talk about a subject, let's say mathematics, you can summarize certain aspects to help the students have a better understanding of what's going on with their lesson. So how do we do that, Mr. Root? It's a funny question and I'm glad you asked it. Just so happens I got a piece of paper and some ink. Already used it. Alright, so if we're going to use a rhyming couplet, we need to know what our topic is, right? So the topic is math, and we're going to also need some keywords. I usually have the kids come up with about 5 keywords, but however many you choose is entirely up to you. And you can also have them use vocabulary that you've already provided for them, maybe a word bank, or have them write their own vocabulary words based on the lesson that you've already taught, right? So here we got division, multiplication, process/steps, repeated subtraction, and repeated addition. You can also have phrases. They don't necessarily have to be 5 keywords. They can be phrases or pairings, right? So I turn these 5 keywords into this. Whole numbers can be broken into fractions. You can divide. That's repeated subtraction. That's a rhyme, folks. You guys got rapidy raps all over you. All right, next thing. Step 1, mental math, then multiply. If at first you don't get it, give it another try. Multiplication is repeated addition. You can't learn these facts just by watching television.